Sarvesh Jawar, Anita Tandoju, like
Anirudh Java.
yeah, Prithvi Bhargav. Next
Yes,
Tarun
sir. Yes,
Gaud.
sir.
Next B
Yes, sir.
Rakesh. B Rakesh. Next Lokesh. No date. Today 6 hour before Saturday you complete.
Yes,
So
sir, from Monday, sir,
Monday
classes.
onwards we will start the class. Monday only. Let at least 15
Sir,
students
but
will join.
Monday.
Exams
Sir,
is there. What is that?
but
If an
Monday exams are there, no, sir. 6 hours exam. No, sir, 6 hours.
Okay. So today we'll see about acids. First of all of you concentrate, pay attention here. Chemical substances. Jawar, है आप क्लास में है नहीं है? Chemical substances. These chemical substances, my dear students, it was divided into 3 parts. So chemical substances divided into 3 parts. What, sir? Yes, that is
Acids, bases, salts.
Acid base salts.
Next, salts. Acids, bases, and salts. So, my dear students, what is an acid? So, acid is a substance which produces H plus ions. Based on the H plus ion concentration, the substance is considered as acid. So, I will say based on H plus ion concentration. Based on H plus ion concentration. And coming to bases, based on OH minus ions concentration. Okay? For example, NaOH ఉంది. తరుణ్ అడిగాను ఇది యాసిడా బేసా? ఇది యాసిడ్ కాదు బేస్ కాదు దాని అమ్మ కూడా నాకు తెలియదు అంటే
And some members are in waiting room, sir.
బేస్ అన్నప్పుడు OH మైనస్ ఉంటుంది, యాసిడ్ అన్నప్పుడు H ప్లస్ ఉంటుంది. With this, you are supposed to identify that chemical substance is an acid or a base. Suppose both are not there, like H plus ions and OH minus ions are not there, then we can say it is a salt. Sodium chloride is a salt. Okay. NaCl, there is no H plus ion, there is no OH minus ion. Kritik, am I right? There is no H plus ion, there is no OH minus
Salt.
obviously called as a salt. అంటే ఒక టాపిక్ ని మనం అర్థం చేసుకునేటప్పుడు if you study like this, what is an acid, what are chemicals, how the chemical substances are classified? Okay, acids, bases, and salts. So how can you say it is an acid? Based on the H plus ion concentration. How we can say it is a base? Based on the OH minus ion concentration. What about salt? No H plus, no OH minus, it is a salt. Finish.
Sir, Umesh is joining from that time, sir.
What amma?
Umesh is joining from that time, sir.
He will be joining only. Till the class will complete, now he will be joining only. Okay. So we are what means BB. BB we are. He is feeling that we are BBs. BB means we need to admit him throughout the session. Ante kontamandi ante. Okay. So now we will see about strong acid. First we will study about the physical properties of acids. Next, we will study about strong acid. So, in order, can I clear the screen, Tarun?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Gaurav, you text him, Umesh, to call to my number after the class. What is his name? You said?
Umesh, sir. Umesh.
Umesh only, no? Yeah, from Jachalla.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
You
Yes, student. We will see about what are the physical properties. My network is some issue will be coming, therefore I am keeping my screen off. So we are studying about physical properties.
Sir, with my name, 3
We
members
are-
are joined, sir.
How many members?
Sir, Umesh మాట్లాడుతాను సార్ మీతో.
Umesh,
Sir.
my voice is audible to you?
Yes, sir.
What happened to you? You throughout the session you will be joining only, admitting only. Is there any network issue?
No, sir. Another member has joined with my name.
Have you joined in the session? You are in the first beginning నుంచి ఉన్నావా నువ్వు?
Yes, sir.
ఎందుకంటే నాన్న ఇది మనకు వచ్చేదే 40 minutes క్లాస్ అయ్యా. నువ్వు అన్ని సేల్లో అడ్మిట్ అవుతుంటే కష్టం కదా. బిగినింగ్ నుంచి ఏదైనా ప్రాబ్లం ఉంటే నెట్వర్క్ ఇష్యూస్ ఉంటే క్లియర్ చేసుకో. ఓకేనా?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Physical properties. First physical property of acid is the taste is what? Sour. S-O-U-R, sour. Okay. Second one is it is soluble in water. It is soluble. Acids are soluble in water. Next one is all dilute acids. All dilute acids. My dear students, dilute. I am talking about dilute acids. Conduct electricity. Dilute acids conduct electricity. In India, almost all the substances are dilute. India lo common అన్నమాట. మనకి ఏది కూడా ప్యూర్ సబ్స్టెన్స్ దొరకదు, కంప్లీట్ గా కాన్సన్ట్రేటెడ్ దొరకదు, అన్ని డైల్యూటే దొరుకుతాయి. The meaning of dilute is what? Only 10% acid, 90% water. సో వాటి లేబుల్ పెట్టినా కూడా ఇది కాన్సన్ట్రేటెడ్ అన్నాడంటే అది డైల్యూటే. ఓకే, బికాస్ వీఆర్ ఫేమస్ ఫర్ డైల్యూట్.
Kalti.
So A, B, C, and third one is it changes blue litmus to red. By using an indicator, it changes blue litmus to red. These are the 5 important properties of acid. First one is taste sour. What is the meaning of sour, Kritik? How the taste will be? Can you explain? Yes, so you are. Huh?
Sir. Like Pulihora, sir.
Pulihora. Lemon rice. Jachalla. Lemon rice.
Amla, sir.
Like that. Okay. And even when you people are taking like what is that? Pani puri, no? That also, that liquid also will be pulupu only. By eating more pani puris, more gas will be produced in the stomach.
Sir, motion free, sir.
Motion free, but gas also will be more. Therefore, people will be free from the house. Only you are supposed to stay.
Chemical reaction.
More chemical reaction. Can I clear the screen, Anna? What is your name, Prasad? Arvini Prasad?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is about physical properties. Now we will see about strong acid. Strong, S-T-R-O-N-G, strong acid. Our Manidip is that he's strong to Pani. 10th class student. Strong acid. What do you mean by strong acid? The example for strong acid is HNO3, H2SO4, and hydrochloric acid. These are the example for strong acid. So can anyone will explain what is a strong acid?
Sir, the more concentration of H plus ions in an acid, sir.
Very good, excellent. Strong acid is defined as the more concentration of H plus ions in the given acid is called as strong acid. Again, I am repeating, more number of H plus ions present in a particular acid, that is defined as strong acid. The example is nitric acid. The example is sulfuric acid. The example is hydrochloric acid. Nitric acid can dissolve even the mercury also. Suppose if you watch the movie like Terminator 1, in that mercury man will be there. At last, the mercury man will melt in the where means nitric acid in a liquid form. If the nitric acid is present in a liquid form, mercury will be what? Dissolve. Have you seen that movie? Terminator 1. మనం అవన్నీ చూడం. అత్తకి యముడు, అమ్మాయికి మొగుడు, అత్తవారింటికి పోవాలి, ఇలాంటి సినిమాలు చూస్తాం.
సార్ నేను చూసిన సార్.
రోబోట్స్ మూవీ సార్.
సార్ ఇంకో టర్మినేటర్ ద జడ్జ్మెంట్ డే ఉంటుంది సార్. ఇంకో
Sir, that
Hmm.
robots movie, sir.
Which one?
You told us a Terminator robots movie, sir.
No. That Avenged Scavenger, that my hero will be there. No.
Yes, sir. Captain America, that boy.
No,
Captain
not
America
Captain
కాదు అతను.
America. He is different. So he acted in Predator movie. Okay. Next about weak acid. Akshay Senanga, can you define what is an weak acid, Nana?
Sir, which has
Sir,
a low concentration of H ions.
Very nice. Which has a low concentration of H plus ions is called as weak acid. Very good. Very good. Example, the best example for weak acid is CH3COOH, which is nothing but called as acetic acid.
Acetic acid.
Acetic acid. Next, Mr. Ramavtar Bangar, can you define what is a strong base? What is a strong base? Make it fast.
Sir,
Ramavtar, what is a strong base?
sir, what is strong base, sir?
Yeah.
Sir, strong base means each mole of. Sir, I'm not getting the word. Sir.
Based on OH.
Sir, which have high concentration of OH ions.
Based on strength of OH minus
OH
ions.
minus.
I'll write it here again. Based on strength of OH minus ions. Bases are classified into two types. What are they? Is strong base, STRONG, strong base, and weak base. Arvind Prasad, based on the H plus ions, acids are classified into strong acids, weak acid. Based on the strength of OH minus ions, bases are classified into strong base and weak base. Okay, Tarun Gaud, can you define what is strong base?
Sir, dissociate completely into ions, sir.
Okay, this point is also right, valid point only. But you can tell me another important point about the strong base.
Sir, bitter in
Sorry,
taste.
sir.
No, I'm asking, okay, how can you say it is a strong base? Gordon Datta.
Sir, which accept the protons.
Okay,
Sir,
that is
Sir, compounds
universal.
ionize in water to yield one or more hydroxide ions, sir.
yeah, that is also true. First, you have
Sir,
to say based
universal
on the
indicator.
more concentration of what. Okay, first, you should say strong base means based on the more concentration of OH minus ions. Is nothing but called a strong base. Okay. Next, what is your name, Prithvi? How can you define weak base? Prithvi Bhargav.
Sir, weak base, sir, which partially dissociate into ions. Sir.
Very good. Okay. Next, Sai Rohit. Dachepalli, Sai Rohit. He's not there in the session. No? Very good. Strong base examples are NaOH, sodium hydroxide, KOH, potassium hydroxide. And coming to
Sodium
weak base,
hydroxide also, no, sir.
what, Nana?
For a strong base, sodium hydroxide also will come, sir.
Sodium hydroxide, no. Sodium hydroxide won't be strong base.
Okay.
Sodium
Sir, sulfuric
hydroxide,
acid.
strong base is sodium hydroxide, sodium hydroxide and potassium hydroxide. These are the two examples for strong base. Okay. Ammonium hydroxide is a weak base. Magnesium hydroxide is a weak base. Sodium hydroxide, who is that boy? Karan. Example for strong base, that only, Nana, I had written on the screen. Okay. Sodium hydroxide and potassium hydroxide comes under strong base. Okay, clear? 1873, Mr. M. Karan.
Yes, sir.
Weak base examples I said, magnesium hydroxide, Arvind Prasad, MgOH taken twice, and another one is NH4OH.
Sir.
Now, My question to Kritik Tejas. Kritik, not Harshit Reddy. This time, last question to Harshit Reddy. Mr. Harshit Reddy, how the organic acids can be prepared, can be produced? My question is, what do you know about organic acids?
Sir, which are prepared in the fields, which the
Very nice.
chemicals are not used much.
ఓకే ఓకే అంటే దగ్గరికి వచ్చావు కానీ ఇంకా క్లారిటీ కావాలి నాకు. స్టిల్ ఐ వాంట్ క్లారిటీ.
Cordon, sir.
Less usage of chemicals.
ఓకే, దట్ ఈస్ ఆల్సో రైట్.
Produced by nature, sir.
నేచర్ అంటే ఏంటి? నేచర్ లేవు.
Animals, plants.
Cordon, sir. Cordon.
Kritik Tejas is right. So acids produced by plants and animals. Acids produced by plants and animals are called as organic acids. Good point. Organic acids. Tarun.
Yes, sir.
నువ్వు ప్రసాదం పంపిస్తూనే ఉన్నావు, నేను తీసుకుంటున్నాను. Acids produced by plants and animals. Acids produced by plants and animals. Okay? Acids produced by plants and animals. It comes under organic acid. It is called as organic acid. Kritik, any example can you tell? Acids produced by plants and animals. Example is, best example is CH3COOH only.
Yes, sir.
Another example, CH3COOH. Prithvi Bhargav, can you define what is mineral acid? What do you understand by mineral acid? Which are called as mineral acids? MINE. How many minutes?
13, sir.
13. Okay. Acids prepared from minerals present in earth crust. Example, Nana. Example.
HCl, sir. HCl.
Cl and H2SO4. Sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid also. Ramavtar, are you writing?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So I explained you. Again, I'm repeating. What about acid?
Sir, bases
What
are
is minus?
bitter in taste, sir.
Good, Kritik. What you said, somebody?
Bases are in bitter in taste, sir.
Under physical properties. Base and first we have to see like that. Based on delta OH minus ions, it is defined as base. Okay. Now we'll see about PP, physical properties. PP
Bitter in
stands
taste.
for physical properties. First one is
Bitter in taste, soupy in touch.
Copy in touch
Slippery in touch.
and red litmus to blue.
Red litmus papers to blue litmus
And
papers.
some are soluble in water, sir.
feel slippery to skin, except Lifebuoy or soap. Remaining all will slippery to skin.
Bases change the color of conduct.
Some bases are water soluble. Bases are, not all bases are water soluble.
Sodium hydroxide.
Water soluble. The meaning of water soluble means they can dissolve in water.
Yes, sir.
Are you in the session?
Yes, sir.
Change redness to blue. This is the fourth property of bases. Now, question to Harshit Reddy.
Sir,
Question to Harshit Reddy.
sir,
So can you say when bases react with metals, what will form? Reaction of
Sir, can I?
bases with metals. Suppose zinc is a metal. When base react with zinc, then what is formed? What are the two substances are formed?
Sir, salt plus hydrogen.
Salt plus
Yes, sir.
hydrogen.
Hydrogen. Yes.
Yes, sir.
So metal plus base gives rise to salt
Salt.
plus hydrogen. Salt plus hydrogen. Example, Zn in solid state, base NaOH in aqueous solution gives rise to what it forms? Na
Na2ZnO4.
sodium zinc-amide. Sodium zinc-amide plus H2 in gaseous state. Okay. Sodium zinc-amide ZnO2 also in aqueous state it is. So again I'm explaining you. So here reaction of base with metals. Reaction of base with metals. Metal plus base gives rise to salt plus hydrogen. Zinc is a metal, reacts with the sodium hydroxide is a base. Then it forms sodium zinc-amide plus hydrogen. Next question to 7229. Who is this boy? Questions అడుగుతున్నాను పిల్లలు డ్రాప్ అయిపోతూ ఉన్నారు. ఎందుకు వచ్చిన గొడవ?
వెంకటేశ్వర రెడ్డి సార్ సునీకంటి
సెషన్ నుంచి వెళ్ళిపోయామంటే ఎవడు అడగడు తలకాయం పోద్ది అని చెప్పేసి.
సార్ 39 మెంబర్స్ ఉన్నారు సార్ ఫస్ట్ స్టార్టింగ్.
How many are there, Nana? 29. Starting how many?
39.
10 మంది వేరు సార్.
10 members వెళ్ళిపోయారు.
క్వశ్చన్ లో భయంతో.
వెరీ గుడ్. మంచి మంచి హ్యాబిట్స్ నేర్చుకుంటున్నారు.
సార్ నా క్వశ్చన్ టు
Sir, 4 minutes only, sir.
Next question is which student I said 7229.
వెంకటేశ్వర రెడ్డి సార్.
Sure, ready, sir.
Yeah.
Sir.
Venkateshwar Reddy.
Sir.
Reaction with non-metallic oxide. Can you say? You got an idea on that? Or can I ask to someone?
Can I say, sir?
When bases react with non-metallic oxide, what are formed? Bases react with non-metallic oxide, what are formed? Question to Prithvi Bhargav, 2063.
Sir, it forms salt and water, sir.
Salt and water. You are absolutely right. Example.
Sir, neutralization reaction.
Yes, correct, beta. Neutralization. When acid react with the base to form salt and water, same here also. Non-metallic oxide react with the base, then it gives salt plus water. Example, non-metallic oxide is carbon dioxide. React with the base, sodium hydroxide, NaOH for balancing 2. Then it gives rise to Na2CO3, which is sodium carbonate is a salt, which is in what state? Solid state, plus
H2.
water.
Liquid state.
Now we'll see about acids reaction with metals. So my sincere advice to all of you, still time is there for your fee payment. Almost every one of you, at least 10 or 15,000 you pay. And whatever the, what you call welcome pack amount you had been paid, like suppose 8,000 or 9,000, because this academic year we did not pay, give you sufficient books, no? Therefore, that amount will be adjusted in your fee structure, in your fees only. For example, 45,000 pending is there. Kritik Tejas already he paid the amount of 10,000 for welcome pack. That amount will be included in the fees only, and your pending will be balance will be 35,000. Got it? So 15,000 for first time you paid for online classes. Before that, for
Sir, I paid
welcome back.
35,000 also, sir.
That is what Nana. And example I am telling. If any student for అన్ని classes మనం ఏం చేస్తున్నా అంటే వెల్కమ్ బ్యాక్ నెక్స్ట్ ఇయర్ కి వాళ్ళకి క్యారీ ఫార్వర్డ్ చేస్తున్నాం. అంటే మీకు క్యారీ ఫార్వర్డ్ చేయలేముగా, మీరు ఎక్కడికెక్కడికి వెళ్తారు. కొందరు నారాయణ అంటారు, కొందరు చైతన్య అంటారు, రామవుతారేమో నేను ఇంకో చోట అంటాడు. లైక్ డిఫరెంట్ ప్లేసెస్. కాబట్టి ఆ అమౌంట్ని ఫీజులో యాడ్ చేస్తున్నాం. Akshay, clear it is?
Yes, sir.
Next, can I clear the screen? Reaction with non-metallic oxide.
Yes, sir.
Acid, sulfuric acid gives rise to SO4 plus H2. Please